Robinhood could be listing Shiba Inu very soon, and here's why. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Before we get into this video, make sure to like this video, guys. Let's get this video to 500 likes, guys. Every time we set a like goal, you guys absolutely kill it with that goal, and you guys absolutely destroy the like button. So make sure to do that in this video as well. Make sure to comment down below whatever you guys are thinking about Shiba Inu, your opinions, your thoughts, your feelings, your concerns, whatever it is you guys want to talk about with Shiba Inu. Let us know how many tokens you guys have. Either way, whatever you guys want to do that supports obviously the Shiba Inu army, and of course you leave a comment at the same time. But I digress. Let's get into Shiba Inu. We are down just about 6.25% on the day today. The whole cryptocurrency market is still pretty much in turmoil after yesterday, or late night, 2 days ago, I should say, the crash that we experienced, or kind of the flash crash, if you will. Unfortunately, the after effects of that crash are still being felt, and most of the cryptocurrency market is red, except for like Polygon, which is up like 3%. So shout out Polygon. But unfortunately, Shiba Inu is in that kind of wheelhouse of being down as well. But that being said, still doesn't mean there's news to talk about. Still doesn't mean that there's still plenty of positivity that we can kind of inject into the not only the Shiba Inu army, but of course get out to you guys as far as news. So let's talk news, guys. Here we are. So the first article, this is a Bazinga article, and I know Bazinga tends to be a little bit biased sometimes, and they tend to kind of not speak highly of this, these community coins, right? So bear in mind, I will obviously say, oh, this is biased or this isn't biased. I will try to make sure that you guys are aware of certain things they say that I think are obviously biased or just straight up wrong, right? So let's get into it. Again, this is about Robinhood. Always fun. Always gotta love our favorite little listing that just eludes us every day. Robinhood. After the Kraken listing, Robinhood is under pressure to add Shiba Inu. Will the trading app yield? So the meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has a loyal following, which does not think twice about springing to support the dog memed currency. The unwavering support, increases use case, and wider mainstream acceptance and adoption has led to Shib to leapfrog past its more illustrious meme peer Dogecoin in terms of valuation at one point, and earn the moniker the Doge Killer. Post October blues, after hitting an all-time high of 4078 on October 30th, accumulating a month of strong gains, Shib has retreated. Even as Bitcoin broke above its previous highs in early November, Shib continued to slip, breaking below one support after another. On Saturday, the meme currency plunged to the 0.000030, its lowest level since October 2023. Neither Shib portrayed foray into the metaverse and gaming, nor the company's listing on the Kraken exchange last week led to a reversal in fortunes. Okay, well, the Kraken really, I mean, for the record, the Kraken, if you get, all right, we got to refresh this. If you guys look at the win right here, right, this nice little kind of green push towards the upside, this was the Kraken listing right here. And it, for all intents and purposes, this looked like we were going to go to the moon. This really, really was a very strong catalyst, strong push towards the upside. And I was excited. But unfortunately, a lot of people sold. A lot of people paper-handed out of Shiba Inu, and that was one of the big reasons why we saw this huge push towards the downside, because a lot of people just sold. They were like, oh, I bought down here, I bought back here. They were finally back in the even. They're like, all right, I'm done, I'm out, right? And they paper-handed. So unfortunately, that's why that happened. But let's keep reading. Neither Shib for market-wide pessimism following the discovery of the Omicron variant of course, C19 virus did not help matters any further. Now, can Robinhood help? One big catalyst that can push the currency higher is being listed on a trading app, Robinhood Markets Inc., also traded on the stock market at Hood. Shiba Inu backers have been posted a petition on change.org to garner support for listing the meme currency on the trading app. The petition has now been signed by over 543,000 people, guys. That is insane that we have had that. We're at 500,000 signatures, or not 500,000, sorry, almost halfway to 1 million signatures, which is just absolutely crazy. Not sure where the market is headed next. Yeah, I'm not signing up for your free webinar. But anyways, Shib supporters continue to put pressure by tweeting support for a Robinhood listing. One of the supporters said that with 1 million holders, the meme currency deserves a spot. Shiba Inu's project lead Satoshi Kasama tweeted a tweet that pointed out that that with Kraken going ahead, will Robinhood list it before the end of 2021? Another Shib supporter even attributed to the steep drop in Robinhood's share price since its August highs to the trading app not listing Shiba Inu. Robinhood, for its part, has remained non-committal. It currently allows the trading of 7 cryptocurrencies, and these are usually like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Bitcoin SV, Ethereum Classic, all those kind of fun stuff. And they said, I also think that our strategy is a little different than a lot of other players who are just racing to list as many assets as possible right now. Christine Brown, the COO of Robinhood Crypto, said in an interview in early November, we think that the short-term gain we might get is not worth the long-term trade off for our users. So this is kind of the same posturing that we're seeing. There is actually a piece of news that this article doesn't talk about that I'm going to just tell you guys right now. So Robinhood is actually, they have just recently won, essentially. I mean, they didn't win it, but the court has thrown out a lawsuit against them involving cryptocurrency. In fact, I can't remember the exact details of the lawsuit, but I know that a major lawsuit was just basically thrown out that was going to sue them, basically. And so now they're a little bit more free, it seems, to kind of think things through as far as crypto goes without having to worry about this lawsuit that was kind of pending against them. And again, I do think that they still hold that similar mindset that they're going to kind of keep a strict posturing when it comes to which cryptocurrencies they are planning on adding. But that being said, of course, as well, I do think that we are going to see a little bit of a lightening up, if you will, of Robinhood on certain cryptocurrencies, on the addition of certain cryptocurrencies. Again, they have said that if they are going to add cryptocurrencies, they are going to keep it a very small list. What that entails, what kind of makes a cryptocurrency qualify for that list, again, that's going to we're going to have to see. If anything, I would expect it to be market cap. Lucky for us, Shiba Inu is number 13th, or I believe number 12th in the world as far as market cap is concerned. So even if they were only going to add the top 25 market cap cryptos to their platform, again, I think obviously Shiba Inu is somehow going to make it. Again, they're getting tweeted at every single day. They've acknowledged that they're getting tweeted at every single day. Robinhood knows that there is a demand for Shiba Inu to be added to their platform. And listen, before somebody runs to the comments, because I've gotten the comment before, we don't need Robinhood to list us. We don't need anything. Like, Shiba Inu is strong enough on its own. Listen, I totally agree that the army, the community, the just overall Shiba Inu holders are strong. 100% they're strong. 100% they are willing and able to, hold this coin through thick and thin, and able to eventually, hopefully one day, to reach all these crazy price targets that we've all kind of looked at and theorized about. But what's more important here is the idea that basically, again, news is good. Good news is good news, right? Exchange listings are good news. Look what happened with Kraken, guys. This is just an example, right? Kraken isn't even that big of an exchange. It's an exchange that most people don't know about. Robinhood is an exchange that I could go talk to my grandma and she would be familiar with what Robinhood is and what it does. Again, this is a incredibly popular exchange with millions and billions and millions of not billions, but millions of users that obviously are active every single day. People have lots of money on Robinhood that I'm sure they would be willing to throw a couple bucks at Shiba Inu either way. Guys, I just think that Robinhood is what we need. We need more accessibility because, again, Coinbase is great. Everywhere else is great. But if it's on Robinhood, right, which is basically, we saw something super similar to this happen on Shiba Inu, or not Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, where Dogecoin was the only kind of meme currency listed on Robinhood. And of course, it went crazy because everybody could buy it. It was super accessible. We obviously went, I think, all the way up to 60 cents at one point. It's doable. It just, all that needs to happen is some kind of either social movement, or we need a Robinhood exchange listing relatively soon. Even if it's not soon, at some point, I think it will happen. I think it's a when, not an if at this point, in anything in between. But guys, let me know in the comments below what you guys think is going to happen with this token. I want to hear your guys' thoughts, your kind of feelings, and just everything, guys. I love to see what you guys have to say down in the comments below about Robinhood, about the exchange listings, and anything else in between. If you guys want to pick up a free stock, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, at public.com, hit the link down in the description below. You guys can use that, sign up and deposit $1, and you guys get a free stock that could be worth up to $70. Usually of a great selection of companies: Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Google, or even Disney. And of course, too, you guys can start trading Shiba Inu on their platform as well. Make sure to like this video, guys. But other than that, guys, just keep it locked here, guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comments below, guys. I really think Robinhood is going to list Shiba Inu sooner rather than later. I think right now it's just a matter of a waiting game, which, again, most of these cryptocurrencies, that's what it is at the end of the day, right? It is a waiting game. But guys, I'll see you later. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.